Hello and welcome. Today is Tuesday. It is the 18th day of October. Welcome to the Silver Charts channel. Take a look at this daily chart as well. A couple NHL selections, pretty much three actually. And I'll go over those after the conclusion of the silver analysis, which has had a lot of 1.5% volatility days, 1.55%. And 5 of the last 7 have pretty much been right in at around 1.5. Yesterday's is the lowest it's been in a long time, at least in this last 100 period session. I think it was 0.8% or something around there. Not much going on. However, we can see within this area here what would be like a cup and handle formation, with this being the cup where you would drink out of and this the handle. However, handle's much bigger, so maybe a shot glass and handle formation, considering you might only be able to put a half an ounce of beverage in a size like that, albeit higher low, and then breaking above here gives you a bullish setup, maybe to a price target up to about 18 a quarter, 18.30. And this, of course, would make this 18 average start to flatten out, as it would be trading within it, and thus this newly bear market would move into neutral territory. Breaking down below this low in here, short-term time frame, looking at the 15-minute chart, probably good odds of hitting close to or at this level here. And if this level's failing and it's retracing lower a few cents, maybe breaking 17, then you'd be looking at another 50+ cent drop. And yeah, that will be it for the silver analysis. So for those tuning in just for that, thank you for watching. Now on to some hockey selections. As I am going to go with the Colorado Avalanche and over 5.5 goals in this contest. Plus 185 is way too high in my book, and I got to take that high chalk. For Washington's a good team, but their backup is playing. And Colorado, they got a good offense led with Nathan MacKinnon and a bunch of other, Gabriel Langskog, lots of good scorers on that team, and they've got 9 goals in 2 games. They're playing 3 games in 4 nights, but I don't deem anything into that for October hockey. Even November hockey, I don't look at tough schedules too much, because their bodies are fresh in the early part of the season. And Colorado's a young team as it is anyway. And as I write my analysis in here, I did just decide to play 5.5. I got to consider that these NHL might be transitioning and changing through 36 games this year. The average score is 3.5 to 3 for the home team, or 6.5 goals total. And it's a small sample size of games, albeit, but the average has been under 5.5 for quite some time, and playing over totals might be the way to go. I want to go over 5 on the Tampa game, but it's minus 150, and that's just too high of a price for me to play. And Montreal tonight, if Marc-Andre Fleury is not playing for the Pittsburgh Penguins, that means they have to go with their number 3 goalie with Murray out. And that's Montreal's backup from last year. And I think that is a deadly situation if he's starting. Either way, Fleury's playing a little tired. I like him at around minus 120, even minus 140, minus 145 I think is valuable with Fleury out. And minus 115, minus 120 is good if Fleury is in the net. I like Montreal on that one. And a lot of it is you're going against Pittsburgh with Sidney Crosby out due to concussion as well. And that is the analysis for tonight. Thank you, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.